welcome to the channel. My name is Erica. If you are new here, welcome. Today is Saturday, October the 21st, and I wanted to go ahead and do my Tory Birch unboxing video with you guys. So this is my second Tory Birch purchase. I loved everything that I got so much the very first time. I decided to go ahead and check out her website again, and y'all, she continues to deliver. I think that I'm turning into a Tory Birch girl, if you will, but I absolutely love her products. The quality of her products are great, as well as the price point. I think that, you know, it is luxury, affordable luxury that you can obtain without breaking the bank. And I've just loved everything that I've gotten so far. So the first thing that I want to share with you guys is this black purse that I purchased from her website. So I ordered like on a Tuesday or a Wednesday, and guys, it got here like within 3-4 days. So the service was really good. Delivery was punctual. Have no issues with that at all. So it came with this cute little thank you note right here, which I thought was a nice touch. And so the bag itself was $348, which like I said, I think that that's super affordable, and the quality is really good. So let's take it out of the bag here so I can give you guys all the details. Oh, she is gorgeous, you guys. And so it was housed in this little pouch right here. So it was just kind of put in there. So we'll put that to the side. But this is the, let's see if it has the name of the bag. This is the T monogram small zip tote. Of course, in the color black, and like I said, it retails for $348. So let me scoot the camera back just a little bit so you guys can get a really good view of this bag. So that's what it looks like. And I love how it has the T's all over the bag, and then it has her nice embroidered Tory Birch monogram up there in the gold. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the size, you guys. Absolutely love the size of this purse. So let's take a look on the inside and see what we have. I think that this is going to be a perfect fall winter bag for me to carry, and just to be able to house all my things. So on the inside, it looks like that. It has, this cute little pouch that's attached to the inside of the purse, like a little change purse. And it also has this little zipper compartment here off to the side, right there. So it has a little zipper compartment, so you can also store other things in here as well. Oh yeah, that's perfect. That is perfect. Y'all, this bag is so cute. So cute. So just taking out the other little pieces that were in here as well. They packaged this purse really well. So let's take out the rest of the cardboard in here so we can get a good feel for how the purse looks and kind of stands on its own. All right. Took all of that out. Oh yeah, y'all, she's a cutie. She is indeed a cutie. If you have been on the fence about getting one of her bags, I highly recommend it. Like I said, this is my second bag from her, and it is absolutely stunning. So I'm going to stand up and put it over my shoulder so that you can see kind of like the hang time and how that works. So let's So see there, that's perfect. See how that fits up under your arm? It's like a perfect length with the strap. And I have good room up under here as well. So that's how it looks on your arm, which is it's perfect, you guys. I absolutely love this bag. So cute. So let's get one little last close-up look of it. And let me show you guys the inside again, just so you can see how deep it is and how spacious that is. Yes, this is a really, really, really cute bag. And so I also purchased some more of her earrings. Because I find that in the fall and winter time, when I'm wearing my scarves, I'm a hoop girl. I love my hoops, but I'm finding that they kind of get caught up in the scarves and they kind of become, you know, a nuisance and get in the way. So I have decided to try some of her studs, which I think were beautiful online. And so I decided to go ahead and purchase me 2 pair. I decided to get the gold and the silver. They also come in the rose gold color. I came really close to purchasing those, but I decided not to. May go back and get them. But they do provide this little baggie right here for you to be able to put your earrings in and store them. So super cute. And as you can see here on the baggie, it's got the little T monogram as well. And the earrings were $78 a pair, which again, I did not think that that was a terrible price. The earrings that I've purchased from her previously were the hoop earrings, and they have not tarnished, they have not faded or anything. So I do highly recommend her jewelry pieces. But here are the gold studs. Yeah, I think that they're so pretty. I think they're really pretty. I was hoping that they were going to be a little bit bigger than this. To me, they're a little too small. I think they could have been just a little bit bigger, but it's not anything that I can't work with or appreciate. But those are super pretty. And of course, they just have your standard backs that go to your earrings. But yes, so that is the gold pair. And like I said, they were $78. $78 a pair. So now let's take a look at the silver pair. Yeah, I was just hoping that they were a little bit bigger than that, but I guess that's probably standard for her stud earrings. Now with the silver pair, I received a pouch that looks like this. So that is the storage pouch for the silver pair of earrings. Let's see here. Yep, just a standard little pouch. And this is what the silver pair look like. So pretty. Yeah. Just like the gold ones. So that is how the silver studs look. I am super, super happy with my purchase overall. Like I said, they could have been a little bit bigger. But again, maybe that's just the standard stud size. So yes, I absolutely love everything. Could not be happier. So like I said, if you are new here, please go ahead and click that subscribe button. I would love to have you. I post vlogs every single week. I talk about all types of home decor. All types of hauls are done over here. I'm in the midst of the holidays, so just getting prepared for the Christmas season, but enjoying fall all the same. And yeah, you guys, so super, super happy. I do recommend her products. Highly, highly recommend them. And I'm also going to put my other Tory Birch unboxing haul video down in the description box. So feel free to click that link and check out that video. But thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you all in the next one. Take care.